Should you ever find your remote power IP switch from 5G store fails to power on, you can see if replacing its fuse helps. I have both the single and dual outlet models with me here. We'll work with the Easy Outlet 5 single outlet model first. You'll find its fuse holder beside the power port. If we take a closer look, you can see it's labeled and there's a little notch where we can slide it open. The easiest way to get at this is with a flathead screwdriver. I've got that right here. Just place the screwdriver in this notch and pry it upward. Then we'll pull it the rest of the way out. The first thing we can clearly see is the fuse that is in use. We need to pull this out and then replace it with a new fuse. Note that this model also has a built-in backup fuse that we can see enclosed in here. Now that the fuse is swapped out, simply slide the holder back in its place like this. Moving on to the dual outlet Model UIS 622B. This device typically does not have a backup fuse. Its holder is also different from the Easy Outlet. You'll find it on the side next to the power cord. A flathead screwdriver will also come in handy with this. Take the screwdriver and push the holder and while turning it slightly counterclockwise till it pops outward. At this point, you can use your fingertips to pull it the rest of the way out. The fuse sits loosely in this holder. Simply slide it out and replace it, then insert it back into the switch. This time you'll use the screwdriver to push the holder the rest of the way in while turning it clockwise. Just like that, we're done. If you're in need of replacement fuses, be sure to reach out to our team at 5gstore.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, subscribe to our channel if you're interested in more videos like this.